So, hello everyone, this is Fahim bin Amin, and you are watching my Twitch stream. Actually, I opened my this Twitch account just today, and this is going to my second stream. I actually recorded my first stream. I actually already streamed a video just earlier, but actually forgot to enable the VOD, so the video is not saved anymore. All right, so I actually showed you a lot of things in that stream. If you have already missed that, then I'm actually sorry for you, but let me clarify you once more that whenever I'm going to the stream later on, I will make sure to record that in another recording software like OBS, and I would make sure to record that so that I won't miss the video, because in that video, let me show you what I did actually. Now you might have known that I have just shut down my Bengali YouTube channel, and this is my personal website, but I forgot to update my website. So what I actually did is that I simply cloned my this GitHub repository, which is public by the way, and I have hosted my personal website here as well. So as I was talking to you about that, I simply cloned this repository to my local machine, and I have made some changes like like this was English YouTube channel and this was Bengali YouTube channel. I changed it from the English YouTube channel to YouTube channel because this is my main and the only active YouTube channel from now on. And I have also changed the URL because I have changed my channel handle and URL as well. And I have deleted the Bengali YouTube channel and replaced it with Twitch channel. And I have also managed to add this SVG. Now this SVG was not working, and I spent a very what I can say, a few moments to make it works like it. All right, and I have already pushed to my main branch, and the website is updated globally. All right, but I'm extremely sorry for you because the video is not saved on my Twitch because I forgotten to enable the VOD. But don't worry, as I have just told you, I will make sure to record each stream individually to publish on my this YouTube channel so that it won't get deleted in the future. All right, so what I'm gonna do in this video is that I'm simply gonna update this image on my GitHub repo. All right, because as I have just updated the website, I need to update it as well. So I am simply gonna delete my previous clone. You don't need to do that. I'm simply showing you how to clone it and make some changes as I'm going through. So I can simply click on the screen button and click on this SSH to clone it. To copy the SSH URL, and I can simply open my terminal and clone it using git clone the URL. That's it. And now I can simply go to my directory and I can open my Visual Studio Code right here. So as you can see, if I simply open my readme.md, I can show you the preview as well side by side. All right, now this image is coming from here, website preview.png. this image, I need to replace this image, so I would like to delete this image, but I'm gonna do that using the git. So I can simply use git rm remove and the website preview.png. All right, the image has been removed, and I need to make the changes. So git add, I can simply use this for now, git commit dash m, and the commit message remove the whole preview image, and I can push the change to the main branch. If you are into open source and if you are trying to contribute to others open source project, make sure to create a different branch and push your changes there. But as this is my personal website and I don't need to worry about that much, so I am simply doing it like this. All right, so if I simply reload my repository, you see that the website, I mean the image file is gone, and as the image file is gone, the readme file is showing nothing but the alt text. So let me simply go into the website, and what I'm gonna do, I can simply grab a screenshot from it. So how can I do that? That's the question, right? So what I actually like to do is that I can simply zoom out a little bit so that it looks clean like this, and I can use my screening, this extension. I like it very much. Simply click on this and let's say selected area, and I can simply select a area which I want to grab on. This is the image, and I can simply download this image. All right, image has been downloaded, and let me simply grab this image to my this repository, and I can simply rename the image file like preview.png like this. Yeah, this is it, and I can simply update this. Before updating this, let me simply add this git add preview.png, and I can commit that new preview image added, and I can push the change later. Let me simply update the readme file. So let me open the preview side by side, and let's see website preview. Now it would be something different, like preview.png. Yeah, this is it. So I can simply commit the changes like git add readme.md and commit link new preview in readme and git push origin main. That's it. Okay, so let me simply reload this web page, and the new preview png is here. You can see it here, right? The preview.png, new preview image added 1 minute ago approximately. Cool. And this is the new preview image. Cool, right? So that's it for today. If you are new to this Twitch channel, make sure to follow me, and you can check out my YouTube channel as well. Simply go there and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I currently have 199 subscribers, but yeah, you are welcome. So that's it for today, and thank you everyone. I will see you in another video, most likely in another stream. Till then, take care. Ta-ta.